In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your ignition coil on your Toyota Corolla. It's located on top of the engine. As you can see on top, we have 4 ignition coils. We're going to work on one only, just to show you how to do it, and then you're going to do the same to the rest. Now I would do one at a time. It's the same process for each. Let's unplug it. I'm going to push it on this tab and pull the connector off. Set it aside, and now we're going to use an 8mm socket and remove this bolt. Let's remove it. Set that aside, and now we're going to pull up on the coil and remove it. And let's install our ignition coil. Make sure that your ignition coil has some dielectric grease, just a tiny bit on there. Now we're going to put it back in the hole. Make sure it engages with that spark plug. Now let's put our bolt in. Now we're going to torque this bolt to 60 inch-pounds. Let's plug it in. Make sure you hear that click. After you're done, make sure you take it for a road test. Make sure the car's running well, and make sure there's no engine light on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.